Hey there, welcome back to Ayukashyap YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to dual boot Linux with Windows. Linux is basically another operating system based on its own kernel and it supports legacy hardware as well. So let's get started. So this is my Windows 10 machine and I'm going to dual boot Linux in it. You can download any Linux distro, basically the ISO of it, and then you can download Ventoy for Windows, extract and run Ventoy tool. After that, plug in your USB drive, make sure that it's more than 8 GB and then refresh the page and flash Ventoy. After it is successfully flashed, you have to copy the Linux ISO into the Ventoy partition of the pen drive. You can also use Balena Etcher for the same process. And after the ISO is successfully copied, you have to reboot your system and then press the boot button. For example, for HP it is F9. You can search it up on Google for your laptop or computer. Then you have to select the Linux distro and boot in normal mode. It will boot and then you can install it normally. In the installation page, make sure that you select install alongside Windows option and then you can adjust the partition size accordingly. Fill up your details and continue with the installation. It may take 10 to 15 minutes or more, depends on your system specs. And after the installation is completed successfully, you have to remove the pen drive and reboot. In the first boot, it will boot you to Windows and then you have to reboot and press the boot button again, and this time you have to select your Linux distro instead of pen drive. You can also make it default in the BIOS options. And there we go, we have dual booted Linux and Windows. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more content like this.